Okay. And then I have let's see, Jeremiah Cummings. And that's the one that you wanted us to revisit probable cause on. It's the deadly conduct where he pulled out a weapon. He didn't brandish it. I mean, he didn't point it at the complaining witness. I think the chief is going to look something up. But I can come back on that, I guess. Okay.
Is that it?
Those are the only three I have. All right. So, yes. And then I'm going to go check on her.
Back again, Judge.
Okay.
What does it really mean to commit deadly conduct? In this courtroom, Judge Fleischer delivers a lesson in constitutional rights and legal standards. A man accused of waving a gun during an argument stands before the court, but Judge Fleischer isn't interested in theatrics. He wants evidence. And today, that evidence wasn't enough.
Guess who's back?
He's done, right?
Yeah.
We're approaching on Mr. Jeremiah Cummings. That's the one about the deadly conduct.
I don't remember. I mean, I don't remember what happened for breakfast, so you're gonna have to refresh my memory. What happened?
Yes, sir. I'll just read the summary. On April 11, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, an officer was dispatched to a family disturbance call and met with the complaining witness. The complaining witness said an argument occurred between her and the defendant, and the defendant grabbed his handgun and held it in his hand as his anger intensified. The complaining witness left the apartment due to fear, returned to the apartment and contacted the sheriff's office to report the incident. When the officer approached the defendant, he stated, "I'm not talking, I'll answer questions." Gathered his things and grabbed him with implicit extent. He also then drew a weapon and said, shoot me then. The deadly conduct, Your Honor, is alleged based on the fact that the defendant was holding the gun during the argument with the complaining witness.
Does that mean that if anyone ever gets into an argument and has a gun in their hand, that they're literally, I mean, theoretically guilty of a deadly conduct just by virtue of, and then what kind of argument can it be? What level of discourse must there be for someone to be, you know?
Right, and
that can't be the law.
Let's talk about this one where it's not a terrorist figure or an hacksaw, nothing really said. Point is, we have also spoken.
So, I mean, think about this. Like, let's say you and I are arguing, right? And I'm mad at you, and I just, I get the gun just to put it somewhere else,
Right. I get it. I mean, it's not, wasn't charged as an ag.
I get it, but
we have spoken to the complainant. I think I remember last time with this case, you wanted to hear from the complainant, just before you made an PC.
you have anything else?
She's not, from what we can see, she's not. She wants to be around him. She said he had a gun.
Is he here?
No,
He's not
he
here.
waived his appearance.
Right. I remember. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna find no problem.
Right.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content.